The federal government has urged the benefiting states of Kebbi and Zamfara to take ownership of the newly installed Centre Pivot Irrigation systems to turn around the agricultural sector and promote food security. An official of the Federal Ministry of Water Resources, Adeyinka Adenopoulos, said the federal government was looking at the fastest means to achieve food security, adding that the need for irrigation agriculture has become imperative. Adenopoulos expressed the hope that the project conceived years back was being materialized and would be realized.
I'm very, very happy that this was conceived some few years back, and we are beginning to see the materialization of it. By the time we get to duplicate more of this, I believe that we will have gone a long way in realizing our dream. We are new to the technology in Nigeria, even though it is well advanced in the world generally. Our biggest challenge now is manpower, operation and maintenance of the system. And of course, this is what we have been discussing with the contractor, the need for training of the people that will man the project. If that is done, then we'll have overcome a very big challenge that it poses.
An official of Sokoto Rima River Basin Development Authority, Alhaji Abdullah Haidan Magaji, says sustainable agriculture development will be achieved with manpower development. He said the Basin Authority was discussing with the Federal Ministry of Water Resources to ascertain modalities to train its staff on sustainable practices. Dan Magaji said that no fewer than 3,000 farming households would benefit from the 700 hectares irrigation system.
Thank you, Mr. President, for having a very good initiative and interest in irrigation farming in Nigeria. Initially, our yield per hectare was about 4 tons per hectare before the coming of this administration. But now we are very proud to say that our farmers can produce as much as 8 tons per hectare. So there is almost double of production. And that is what all matters. Whatever we are doing, it all bounds on what we are going to produce, the yield.